Just look at this transformation. Same guy, different hairstyle, different presence. The right hair can upgrade your entire face. But here's the problem. Every time you try to grow your hair longer, you run into the same 5 issues. Thin, dry, flaky, greasy, shedding. And instead of fixing the cause, you start buying random products. That's exactly why your hair keeps getting worse. So in the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to fix all 5 properly. Let's start. 1. Thin hair. Most people think thin hair means bad shampoo. It's completely wrong. In many cases, it's weak blood flow to your scalp. Your roots are like plants. No oxygen, no nutrients, no strength. Thickening shampoos only coat your hair. They don't fix what's happening underneath. The real fix? Scalp stimulation. Massage your scalp 3 to 5 minutes daily. Use your fingertips. Small circular motions. Light pressure. If you feel warmth, that's circulation improving. Stronger roots equals fuller looking hair. Volume starts at the scalp. 2. Dry hair. Dry hair is not an oil problem. It's a moisture problem. Oil does not hydrate. It only seals. If you apply oil on fully dry hair, you're sealing in dryness. That shine? Temporary. Instead, after washing, when hair is slightly damp, apply a light moisturizing serum first, then a small amount of oil. Now you're locking in water, not dryness. Result: softer hair, less frizz, better texture. Rule: don't just add oil, lock moisture. 3. Dandruff. Dandruff isn't just dryness. It's usually excess oil plus fungal buildup. Adding more oil makes it worse. Overwashing makes it worse. The solution is targeted treatment. Use an anti-dandruff shampoo 1 to 2 times per week. Look for ketoconazole or zinc-based formulas. Treat the fungus. Control the oil. Flakes reduce naturally. Rule: treat the cause, not the symptom. 4. Oily scalp. If your hair gets greasy by evening, you might be washing too often. When you strip natural oils daily, your scalp overcompensates. More washing equals more oil. Instead, wash less. Let your scalp rebalance. And use a wooden comb. It distributes oil from roots to ends instead of letting it sit on your scalp. Oil isn't the enemy. The imbalance is. 5. Hairfall. First, relax. 20 to 30 hairs per day is normal. But if shedding feels excessive, the problem might be internal. Low protein, low iron, zinc deficiency, high stress. Your body prioritizes survival. Hair growth is secondary. Fix your nutrition first. Eat enough protein daily. Support vitamins if needed. Reduce stress. Healthy body equals healthy hair. Hair fall is often a signal, not just a surface issue. Here's the truth. Most men don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they don't have structure. Random products won't fix recurring problems. A system will. Protect your hair now, before it's too late. Stay ready.